Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this butterfly top that is also a wrap top, and you can make this with 1 yard of fabric and you only have to cut it once. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So this is my 1 meter by 1 meter or 1 yard by 1 yard fabric. It's folded in half, as you can see, and the fold is all the way at the bottom. Then I go to the first edge and then I marked 30 centimeters going down. Then I went to that point where the 30 centimeter ends and I marked 15 centimeters going in, and then I marked 25 centimeters on the other edge going down as well. And then I marked 15 centimeters going in. Then I drew a line. Then I measured 5 centimeters just to slant that line. Then I slanted that line. Then I drew another straight line. Then I placed my tape measure onto that open edge, and then I marked the center. Then I now drew those curved lines connecting those 2 points. Then I just used my curved ruler to just make sure that they are nice and straight. Then I took my scissors and I now went on to just cut that out. Then I now went on to cut the neckline. Marked about 10 centimeters on the center, right on the center. Then I took my curved roller and I drew a sort of like a curved line which went down all the way to that end. Then I used the curved part of my roller to just draw that nice curve to form my neckline. So when you extend to make that curve, you get about 5 centimeters. So if you don't have a curved ruler, you basically just mark 5 centimeters from the center, from the 10 centimeters that you marked, and then you draw a curved line. Then I took my scissors and then I cut it out. So there is the neckline and also the front part of the top. So when I open it up, I get this shape. Then I took some bias tape or bias binding, and then I covered the neckline and the front. Then I went on to sew that on. After sewing it, I flipped it onto the other side, ironed, and then I went on to sew it again. So these are the sides or the sleeves of the top. Then I also added my binding onto both sides. So there I'd already put the binding on both sides. So when I close it, it looks like that. Then I turned it inside out and then I went on to stitch the sides. Now this is what is going to make the sides of the top or blouse. Then I went on to stitch that. Then I now took a 2-meter strip of fabric. It was about 7 centimeters wide, and then I would fold both edges inside and also fold it enough to make sort of this thick like binding. Then I now went on to attach it onto the bottom of the top or blouse. Then I went on to sew this on the sewing machine, and the top was basically done. It's quite a simple DIY. So you notice that on the one that I'm wearing, I did go onto the sleeves. I felt that the sleeves were too big, and I did sort of like a gathering stitch there. That is totally optional. So this is the one that I made before this one. This is just a simple butterfly top. It's not a wrap top. If you'd like to see that, please check it out as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.